Okay, guys, so we are making this video just so that you can see how to do the inequalities with graphing on here on Delta. So you can come back to this if you ever kind of forget or you're having issues submitting work. Okay, so let's take our first problem. They say 5x plus 17 is greater than or equal to 37. Well, the first thing I'm going to have to do is get x by itself. That's going to give me my inequality notation that goes over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 17 on both sides, right? I'm going to do my inverses. I end up with 5x is greater than or equal to 20. I divide by 5 on both sides. And now I end up with, x is greater than or equal to 20 divided by 5 is 4. So there is my answer, right? So I'm going to come over to inequality notation. I'm going to put in my x, my greater than or equal to symbol, and the number 4. So now let's say I want to come in here and do my number line. That's my next step. Well, what you'll do is you'll click and drag. So in this case, my starting point is 4. So I go to positive 4. And this is saying x is greater than or equal to 4. So I'm going to start at 4, and I want numbers bigger than 4. So I click at 4, and then I drag my mouse all the way to the end. If you stop, right, it's going to not give you the arrow. So you got to go all the way to the end and drag. Okay, just like that. Now let's say I want an open circle. If I wanted an open circle, I just click it. Now it's open. But in this case, it's greater than or equal to. So it includes 4. So I'm going to have a closed circle. Make sure to mind your circles. But let's say I made a mistake. Let's say I accidentally started myself over here at like 1 or something, where I dragged it and it wouldn't let me go. I can't move it now. It'll give me this thing that says, do not draw overlapping line segments, right? I can't move it. Oh no, what do I do? You see this little circle with the dash through it, kind of like a stop sign? If you click that, it clears it. So you can go back and fix your answer if you need to. Okay, so you'll drag, click and drag. And then if you need to open or close circle, you just click on the circle, like that little pointy finger, okay? So in this case, close circle from 4 to infinity, right? Because x is any number bigger than 4. I'm going to submit my answer. It'll ask you, is this your correct answer? Are you sure? You'll hit yes, and it'll give you a nice little check mark, and you are good to go. Okay, so if you have any more questions or concerns about that, we will be live for you today so that you guys can see how it works. Okay.